Montgomery County Police responded to the 900 block of Thayer Avenue in Silver Spring, Maryland for an assault in progress call. The Montgomery County Police drone as first responder, DFR, Raven 1 responded and assisted in checking the area for anyone who might be fighting. While checking the area, Raven 1 observed two unrelated subjects fleeing from a Safeway grocery store that is a frequent victim of theft. Raven 1 was able to maintain a visual of the subjects and guide officers to investigate.
Raven 1.
Yeah, do you guys have any Fort George units that are circulating near Mare Lane? We were circulating and we saw two subjects run outside Safeway. Looked like carrying a bunch of stuff. They're on Mayor now, getting behind Society.
George 16, we're direct. We're just on a brief traffic stop. I'll be in that alley. 320, have Raven 1 switch over our channel. George 16, direct alley behind Society.
Raven 1, is there a marked police officer talking to two subjects on Mayor?
16, I'm in the area. We're going to be right next to Society in Maryland with two subjects stolen merchandise.
Raven 1, that's we're overhead. That's the two people we're tracking.